YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is McPato and this is McPato PC. And today I'm just bringing you a very quick video to announce an update to the channel. And the update is that my wife and I bought a house about 2 months ago, and we'll be moving in over the next, at the end of August into the beginning of September. So there's going to be a brief period of time where there's no videos coming out of McPato PC. But I would like to say by the third week of September I should start getting videos up again, and into October back to normal. But the reason this is good is that I'll have a dedicated workspace for McPato PC with a workbench, so I can show you guys how-tos and so on. I want to finally start my motherboard introduction video for PCs 101. I've been working on that, but I'm going to have to take out my motherboard from my computer and use that as my my model, because originally I was going to build a computer in the fall. That has been pushed back as a result of buying the house to probably spring or summer next year. So I'm probably going to take this guy out and show you guys using that motherboard. But anyway, other great ideas. For example, I'm gonna take the thermal paste off my Vega 64. I'm gonna swap that out with some aftermarket paste and see if we can get our temperatures lower. Lots of ideas, and that'll be great. I mean, I'll have again a workbench and a nice recording area. So that's the news, guys. I'm gonna be taking about a week and a half vacation just before we move, so this video is going to be my last, probably until sometime in mid-September. Alright? Might bring you guys a moving vlog or some kind of a tour of my future studio once we get in the house. But again, things are going to be pretty busy, so that might come later, mid-September. Alright guys, thanks again for all your support. Thanks for tuning in and watching my videos, for liking, subscribing, and commenting. It's been a great year and a bit here on YouTube, and I look forward to continuing on into 2019 and beyond. Alright guys, thanks again. We'll see you soon. McPato PC saying goodbye.